Hello again, my fellow pilots and my fellow aircraft maintenance personnel. Your host is always Haitham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Welcome to my aviation nuggets for today. Dynamic pressure. Is it important to the flight safety to measure dynamic pressure, dynamic air pressure? Yes. Airspeed indicator is a very important instrument. Low speed aircraft will stall. High speed aircraft will overstress. So measuring airspeed is an essential for flight safety. Is a very important parameter for flight safety, airspeed and airspeed indicator. So what is the airspeed indicator? Airspeed indicator, everybody, is a dynamic pressure instrument calibrated to show us indicated airspeed. Again, the airspeed indicator is a dynamic pressure instrument calibrated to show us indicated airspeed. Can we measure the dynamic pressure of air? No. What we can measure? Pitot or total pressure? Yes. Static pressure? Yes. So that we have pitot tube and the static port. Static port. And the pitot minus static equal dynamic. And that's what is happening inside the case of the airspeed indicator. Or supplying the air data computer with the pitot pressure line and the static pressure line. For sure the computer need electrical signal, so there will be pressure transducer, okay, to transfer the pitot pressure and the static pressure into electrical signal to supply the air data computer, and then the air data computer will do the subtraction, static from dynamic to obtain, static from total to obtain dynamic pressure to obtain the indicated airspeed or equivalent or calibrated or true airspeed after that. Okay, everybody? So, as you can see here, measurement of dynamic pressure is essential for safe flight. Measurement of dynamic pressure is essential to safe flight. At too low speed, the aircraft will stall, and at too high speed, it will be overstress. Never exceed speed. Stall speed. Okay, everybody? So the airspeed indicator is a critical to flight safety, and the airspeed indicator actually is a dynamic pressure instrument calibrated to show us indicated airspeed. So it cannot be allowed to block because of ice. Pitot tube and the static board cannot be blocked. What is most prone to icing? It is the pitot or static? It is the pitot due to its location, okay, on the fuselage or on the wing. The static is always located in a place that may not be prone to icing, but it may be also electrically heating. Okay, everybody? So, pitot, everybody, cannot be allowed to block because of ice. So it's always electrically heated. It is therefore especially important to ensure that all contaminants are free from the aircraft before flight. On ground, especially or specifically in a bad weather condition, icing condition, if we are in a country that do have insect or flies or sand, we must put the pitot cover. And also an electrical anti-icing heater coil is usually incorporated on the pitot tube. Any error, everybody, due to the heating effect may be reduced by design and calibration. Okay. Also, the pitot tube have water drain holes. So if water is drained, ice should not be able to form. So we have water drain hole to allow the water may be accumulated from the water vapor in the air coming into the pitot tube to drain outside the pitot tube. Drain holes, so that drain holes are therefore provided in the pitot tube. This will of course cause some loss of pressure, but this can be suitably calibrated and allowed for in the design. Okay, everybody, pitot tube is a total pressure tube. Supply airspeed indicator and machmeter only. Altimeter vertical speed need only static pressure, not pitot. Attitude indicator, turn and slip indicator, and heading indicator, they are gyroscopic instruments. They are not pressure instruments. Okay, everybody? Okay. Thank you always for your good listening. And always fly safely and maintain your aircraft very safely. From Cairo, Egypt, your host was Haytham Ali, and I'm an aviation technical instructor. Please stay tuned for upcoming sessions like this. And please, if you have any comment, just put your note or added value, and I will be very happy to receive your feedback. Thank you and goodbye.